Okay, so I'm going to attempt to create a Copilot from the mobile version of the website. So let's see what we have here. So far, it looks pretty clean. I assume this is that's nice. Let's go to install. Actually, let's go to create Copilots. Let's go inside of the marketer. Let's click create. Let's type in write a simple guide on a topic to be used for lead generation. Okay, create. So now, if everything goes well, this should go and create our Copilot, should write the instructions, and it should give us a name and a description. Pretty much be ready to publish right after this, if my calculations are correct. It's doing its thing. It's writing this nice set of instructions for us, so we can use this in here. You can use this anywhere. You can, wherever you want to use your instructions in an LLM to provide an assistant for somebody else. Boom. So if we scroll down, oh yeah, it's already created. So let's go down here. I'm not sure why it doesn't come to the top, but we can fix that. Lead generation. Okay, there it is. There's our Copilot. Under the marketing heading, it says AI generated, so we know that it was AI generated. We can share it by clicking right there to grab the embed code, put it on our website. And we can click into it if we want to use it, right? So click in, and let's see. It has a description, what it's all about. You can also add a video in there, and then I can say, can you help me write a guide about good, high-converting homepage design? Because that's my biggest interest. And here we go. Is it running? Yep. All right. So we literally created a Copilot by telling it what we wanted. And now I'm using that Copilot to write a guide about homepage design. Wow. That's pretty impressive. Absolutely. I can help you with that. Writing a guide on high converting homepage design. Understand the elements, design principles, conclusion. Would you like to add, remove sections, or should we proceed with fleshing out this structure with more detailed content? Wow, like right out of the gate, boom. So now you can go in and you can start fleshing it out so you can get the end result that you want fast and easy. So that's how this is working. Amazing. I'm super excited about this, and stay tuned because I'm going to show you auto prompt creation and publishing all in one shot in my next video. See you soon. Bye.